Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hypothetical World. I'm Clayman, and on this channel, we dive into the big questions, the what-ifs, and the potential futures that shape our world. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often overlooked, a little taboo, but absolutely crucial for a sustainable future: human waste. Yep, we're talking about poop. We all do it, but what happens after? We flush. Our current system of dealing with human waste is surprisingly complex, but is it actually effective? Is it sustainable? And are there better, greener ways to manage this essential part of being human? Let's find out. So, how does our waste get managed right now? For most of us in developed nations, it's a simple flush. That sends our waste into a vast network of pipes, the sewage system. This wastewater then flows to a treatment plant, where, ideally, solids are separated from liquids, pollutants are filtered out, using a lot of energy and chemicals, and the treated water is discharged back into a river or ocean. The solid waste, called sludge, is often incinerated, sent to landfills, or in some cases, used as fertilizer after further processing. Sounds pretty efficient, right? The reality is far from perfect. Modern sewage systems are incredibly resource-intensive. They use vast amounts of water, energy, and chemicals. The treatment process, while removing some pollutants, doesn't eliminate everything. Pharmaceutical residues, microplastics, and other contaminants often slip through, polluting our waterways. Plus, these systems are expensive to build, maintain, and often fail during heavy rains, causing raw sewage spills. And a significant portion of the world's population doesn't have access to adequate sanitation, leading to even more direct pollution and health problems. So, why should we care? Well, the consequences of our current waste management practices are significant. Water pollution from sewage runoff damages aquatic ecosystems, harms wildlife, and can even contaminate our drinking water sources. The energy used in sewage treatment contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, further exacerbating climate change. The creation and transport of chemicals used in treatment also come with their own environmental footprint. And let's not forget the social justice aspect. In many parts of the world, especially in developing countries, access to proper sanitation is a luxury. Lack of sanitation leads to the spread of disease, disproportionately affecting vulnerable communities. It's a fundamental human right that's not being met for billions of people. Okay, so the current system has problems, but what are the alternatives? One promising solution is composting toilets. These toilets don't use water at all. Instead, they rely on natural decomposition to break down waste into a stable, soil-like material. Here's how they work. Solid waste is collected in a container, usually along with a carbon-rich material like sawdust, wood shavings, or coconut coir. This helps to aerate the mixture and absorb odors. Over time, beneficial microbes break down the waste, turning it into compost. Many composting toilets also separate urine, which can be used as a fertilizer after dilution or further processed. The benefits are huge. Composting toilets save massive amounts of water, reduce pollution, and create a valuable resource: compost. They can be used in off-grid locations, reducing the need for expensive sewage infrastructure. Now, I know what you're thinking. Compost, made from what? That's where the term Humanure comes in. Human manure. The idea of using composted human waste as fertilizer might sound a little icky, but properly composted human waste is safe and can be incredibly beneficial for soil. Humanure is rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all the things plants need to thrive. When used correctly, it can reduce our reliance on synthetic fertilizers, which are often produced using fossil fuels and can pollute waterways. The key is proper composting. The high temperatures reached during the composting process kill harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. With proper management, composting toilets are safe, hygienic, and sustainable. Now, it's important to follow guidelines. The composted human waste should ideally not be used on edible plants. So, what does this look like in practice? There are many different designs of composting toilets, from simple DIY systems to more advanced commercial models. Some are designed for individual homes, while others are suitable for public spaces or even entire communities. And innovation doesn't stop there. Researchers are exploring new ways to treat human waste, including urine diversion, which separates urine and feces at the source, allowing for more efficient resource recovery. We're also seeing advancements in wastewater treatment technologies that are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. So, is composting toilets and Humanure the silver bullet to all our waste problems? Maybe not, but they represent a significant step towards a more sustainable future. They challenge us to rethink our relationship with our waste and to see it not as a problem, but as a potential resource. What do you think? Could composting toilets be a viable solution in your community? Are you willing to challenge the ick factor and embrace a more sustainable way of managing human waste? Let me know your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hypothetical World, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration of the future. Thanks for watching.